is up, guys? Jamaica came out here with another reaction. Guys, today we are here. We're reacting to DJ Khaled, Where You From? DJ Khaled produced it, but DJ Khaled not sing nothing. DJ Khaled not singing nothing. Big up the dancehall and the reggae legends them that's singing this. Buju Banton, legend. Capleton, legend. Bounty Killer, legend. Big up them man that we're in this. And I think, I don't know, because in there Jamaica, I see DJ Khaled at Jamaica where they do a post picture with Bounty Killer and things. So I say, okay, nice. Him coming to a place and him there with me. So you don't know, big up DJ Khaled for sure. The love. Every time him come to Jamaica, him always big up. Him always link up with Killer and Buju Banton. So I've been getting lots of messages to react to this one in my Instagram. Guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram up there. Message on Instagram. Even on TikTok, people message me. Do this. I say, alright then, cool, no problem. Let's do it. We are here. We are gonna do it. Let's go. We're not wasting no more time. Let's go. We are breaking down, so we're passing every 10 seconds. Cause more break on the lyrics them for those who don't understand what the dancehall thing is about. Let's go. So this just started and it puzzled me already. That voice there is an infamous voice. That voice is an infamous voice. That voice I said, whoa, wee. But let me see if I'm in the video before I call him names. Let's go. There he is, Banton Levy. It's Banton Levy, guys. Banton Levy is, but I don't see him on the title of the song. So that is why I was thinking, is he not in the song or something?
We the best music. Another one.
Once you see Capleton, that is fire go blaze. Capleton is the original fire king, the fireman who blazed the most fire in a dancehall history. Capleton. Big up Capleton. Buju there, oh God. Killer there, oh God. But who I call Killer is Bounty Killer for those who don't know. Alright.
DJ Khaled. If you no mess with we, you are gonna see a million. We not the Congo long, just like the Amazon split.
If you don't mess with me, you're gonna see a million. A million what? A million what? I know what he's talking about. A million straps, but he's a Rasta man, so he's not gonna really to say that. A million, him said natty Congo long. Alright, let's go.
Big like a cylinder, man, a beat like God. One question.
So where you come from?
Hey, I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slap them.
Yo, big up DJ Khaled. This is a fucking, this song here, I gotta be one of dancehall classics. And DJ Khaled produced it. Khaled, big up yourself. Only Khaled alone can make this happen like these four giants together doing this. Only Khaled.
Dreadlocks no play in a no banga wrong. And anywhere we go we dance strong. In it. Alright then.
Natty dreadlocks no mix up in a bangarang. Bangarang mean fuckery. Natty dreadlocks no mix up in a fuckery. You see me? That is what Buju I tell you say. We no mix up in a fuckery. So don't try, you know? Alright, let's go. What's sing next?
No pass your place and no cross the line. And ask me where me from coming no hard to find.
Don't pass the place. Don't cross the line. Don't ask me where me come from. Me not ask you fine, brother. I'm here. Me dep on the ground. Me not ask you fine, so don't ask me nothing. That's how I keep it and tell you. Or the original Fire King.
Underneath, I me stand up at the cast of mine. Right now, me go roll up on that. That's me fit just pass me mind.
Inflow change straight away. Right now, me go roll up on that dust fit just pass my mind. Bumbleclad. Yo.
Loud the music, loud the weed, and poverty cause the crime. Anytime you see the Rasta man, no ask for mine.
Alright. That line there, loud the weed, loud the music, is poverty that caused the crime. The reason why I'm saying that is the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, Jamaica Prime Minister, has been blaming the music for the crime that's happening in Jamaica. So, he might tell us, listen, loud the music, brother, loud the music, poverty. Poverty is the problem. Don't fuck about, poverty is the problem. Because these politicians are not delivering on the promises that they make to the people. That's what Capleton say.
Vampire them a come in a mastermind. Say them hunting blood samples hard to find. Alright, this them.
Anytime Capleton spit, him just go deep. Like him just go deep. You have to really pre what Capleton say. Capleton are one of those artists where like I've seen him live a whole heap of time, and Capleton just have the energy like forever, for days.
Anything you reap that you sow. Hands are fi clean and your heart are fi pure. Light up the chalice and make tell.
Bumbleclot. Lala. Anything, listen. Anything you reap, that you sow. That's how the boss I tell you. Anything you reap, that you sow.
Rastafari ever safe and secure. If you no mess with we, you are gonna see a million. We not the Congo long, just like the Amazon split.
The chorus of the song, that.
Big like a cylinder, man up beat like gun. One question.
Where you come from?
Hey, I'm a beat boy retreat when he.
I'm a beat boy retreat. What would you say? I'm a beat boy retreat. I'm hear about this again.
One question.
Where you come from?
Hey, I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slam.
I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slam. Clip. Select. Come. I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slam. Yeah.
Say dreadlocks no play in and no bang around. And anywhere we go we dance strong. In art.
Hold on. Oh, DJ Khaled that eat so much chicken and them thing they run the rest of them. Buju there, Capleton there, them man they not eat meat. So oh, a man like Khaled down this side eat behave meat. Khaled, where you do dog? I'm excited to hear what Banton have to say.
When they think them a knock on the door, the 40 cal, the 44 come.
Bumbleclot. When they think them a knock on the door, the 40 cal, listen.
Killer that step in so hot, me start she floor.
Who that? Was that Netty Country me just say a while ago?
The door, the 40 cal, the 44 come. Killer that step in so hot, me start.
I think that's Netty Country. Next bad singer as well. Next bad singer. I think that's him if me not wrong.
She floor. Premier League, we have the arsenal to fight the revolutionary battle, cause only the battle them fi poor.
Bumbleclot. Premier League, we have the Arsenal to fight the battle. Do you get it? You get it? Premier League, we have the Arsenal to fight the battle. The Arsenal, the Kasham. Not the Arsenal, not the football team, you know. To fight the battle.
We have the arsenal to fight the revolutionary battle, cause only the battle them fi poor.
You hear that? Him have the Arsenal to fight the revolutionary battle, cause only battle them alone for poor.
The youths them for rich, equal rights empowerment. Tell them to leave the sun to shine out, black rain will shower them. No.
Bumbleclot. Yo, the youths them for rich. Listen to the wordplay. Listen to the wordplay. Listen, watch out, listen, Wagon.
Rich, equal revolutionary battle, cause only the battle them fi poor. The youths them for rich, equal rights empowerment.
The youths them for rich, equal rights empowerment. Listen to the part now, listen to the part.
Them fi leave the sun to shine out, black rain will shower them. No.
Tell them to leave the sun to shine, or else black rain will shower them. Black rain. Gunshot will shower them. Leave the sun to shine. Sun in the sky, not that sun in me. Kids them growing up. Leave the kids them to shine, or else black rain will shine. The reason why he put the bar in there, enough killing of kids are going to Jamaica nowadays. Them a take with the little pit in them a take with the little girl them and a kill them, and a rape them and a kill them. So, man said, tell them to leave. Tell them to leave with sun for shine. The kids them for shine, or black rain will shower them. Bars.
Make we let go 60 like the hoe of them. DJ Khaled burn out the cow of them. This is the one he like me pop it off and beat one.
In time Lego 60 like the hour, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute. We Lego 60 shot. Like the hour. You get that? Him say him goes a boom. Pop it off and beat one. That's a warning shot. You don't know? Pam! One shot. Warning. Don't fuck around. Don't come close. Alright?
Food to reach the people mouth and money for your reach on. But don't brave no pet no chat Jamaica land where we from.
Food for your reach the people in mouth and money for your reach hand. You see me? But than at Jamaica land we come from. Yeah.
Shining like a beacon. We the best so this you not see me one.
We the best. If you're this, you not see me one. You not see me by myself. Me and my thugs them. Me and the dog them. Me and the G them a roll out on you. Come knock it. Killer, big up yourself, dog.
Man, swear the way you are gonna see a million. We not go long just like the Amazon. Split big like a cylinder, man up beat like God.
I don't understand why he's not in the title though. Why is Junior Reid not in the title? Banton leaving not in the title. I don't understand why not in the title.
Question.
So where you come from?
Hey, I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slap. Them say dreadlocks no play in a no banga wrong.
If you notice, all the rest them clean. All of the rest them clean. Clean that. Clean.
Underneath where we go, we dance strong. In us. These streets are cold, you better pound.
Bumbleclad. I was wondering if Buju are gonna get a chorus on it. I was wondering if Buju are gonna get a chorus. If I have a chorus, I could hear myself say.
Don't know who to trust, most of them corrupt. We look inside them eyes and see the plan.
Don't know who to trust. Not enough of them corrupt. I think I know where is aiming that. You might aim that on the government system, on the people that's in charge, that's in power, so to speak. You might aim that at them. You don't know who to trust. Where them corrupt? Them have a mask. Them are wear mask long before COVID. That's what the boss I say.
We look inside them eyes and see the plan.
Bounty Khaled, Buju, Capleton, and step in the Mount Zion.
These streets are
Him just name out everybody and I said them a step in a Mount Zion. That is when name again? Pantason. Big up yourself, Pantason.
I call the better pound flow. Don't know who to trust, most of them corrupt. We look inside them eyes and see the plan.
These are revolutionary artists, bro. These artists standard not drop. Like none of them standard not drop. Legend in the thing. Can't go around that. If I go around that, he's a bad mind fucker.
Ups will never stop, man, a big up.
Load up another cup. More fire. Load up another cup.
Watch your fire now, man. Jesus Christ. Khaled are the only one who can pull this off, like me tell you. Khaled are the only fucker that can pull this off, dog. This is a track.
Load up another cup. Well, my locks you can't touch. Well, Babylon men will say you a bluff. Load up another cup.
Load up another cup. My locks them can't touch. Babylon, me know you a bluff. Babylon are the government again. Babylon, police, Babylon, the whole government fraternity. Them are the Babylon. We in Jamaica we call them Babylon. You understand? Yeah.
No man swear the way you are gonna see a million. We not go long just like the Amazon. Split big like a cylinder, man up beat like God.
Me like the fact said them have whole heap of like different people in that video. There's some dancers. The dancer right now is Capleton. Capleton in the street in Paris Chiching. For those who know Chiching. You see me? So me like the fact said that you don't know.
Question.
So where you come from?
Hey, I'm a beat boy retreat when he made the thing slap. Them say dreadlocks no play in a no banga wrong.
That building the way you just see, that's Buju studio. That's around a Buju studio on Radius Road. Buju studio that.
In us.
Where you come from?
Look how Jamaica nice and beautiful. Just look at the scenery, like look at the scenery, dog. Look how the place nice and beautiful and green and nice.
Them say ain't natty dreadlocks. So where you come from?
Yo, big up Khaled. Big up Khaled. Big up the artist them. Big up every artist when this. Big up Banton, Levy, Buju, Capleton, and Killer. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Song bad. I love this track. It's a hey, natty dreadlocks. Where you come from? That is a sample from a next song. But Banton Levy do it live in this, which is good. Want some water? Song nice. So big up on yourself anyway. And I will see you guys in the next one. Alright? If you can't be good, be lucky. I'm out. Peace.